Hi, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Legal Things. Today, we're talking about whether you should only choose the cheapest divorce lawyer. Here are some things you need to know. It's not so much whether the lawyer you choose is the cheapest or has the lowest quote, it's whether you know and accept what you're getting and whether his fees and fee structure are suitable for you. If you encounter a lawyer who offers a fixed fee for an uncontested divorce, this is probably meant to cover a situation where you and your spouse agree on all the terms and are prepared to get the formal paperwork done without any further negotiation or discussions. These basic papers include the initial documents that the court will need to start the divorce and which your spouse can agree to immediately if there are no further disputes or negotiations. If this sounds like your situation, then you can indeed consider choosing a low fixed fee option to keep your legal costs low and achieve the outcome you desire. However, you should be realistic and be prepared that the lowest fixed fee quote that you find may not be designed to cover additional work beyond preparing the basic paperwork for submission in court, such as additional and further negotiations or discussions or amendments to the documents that may understandably take up more time, effort, and therefore costs on the part of lawyers. And this is because it's important to remember that as long as there are terms or aspects of the case that are not yet completely agreed or compromised between you and your spouse, you will need to further discuss and negotiate them until a mutually accepted agreement or settlement is reached. In some other situations, the lowest flat fee offer may not include any other further communication or discussions or consultations with your lawyer to answer any specific or new questions that you may have. In those situations, some lawyers may also charge separately for follow-up conversations or communications with you. If that happens, then your lowest flat fee quote may start to have additional costs added on with every other item of work delivered by your lawyers, and this may end up with your initial low cost fees ballooning. That's why you should start to discuss a revised and updated fee arrangement with your lawyer once it appears that you're possibly moving towards more negotiation or discussions in your case and a potential contested divorce. There are benefits to choosing a lawyer with a flexible fee arrangement as opposed to a fixed fee arrangement. For example, the lawyer working under a flexible fee arrangement may not be so calculative when making time to speak or communicate with you to address your concerns, answer your questions, and discuss your case, including updating you on changes to the case strategy as the divorce progresses and whether you should relook or reconsider your goals regarding matrimonial assets, spousal or child maintenance, and also child custody. The lawyer may also be more flexible in responding to new and unexpected developments and needs in your case, such as making interim applications to the court to resolve issues regarding interim maintenance or access. For the lawyer working under a low-cost flat fee arrangement, it would be understandably more challenging for him to attend to every other additional request from you because it would simply fall outside of the original limited scope. But this shouldn't be a problem if yours is a completely smooth and uncontested divorce where you and your spouse have already completely discussed and agreed on all the terms in advance and can reach an agreement without any fuss. But you should carefully consider and discuss with your lawyer in advance whether your case can be so straightforward or whether in fact there's a real possibility that it may involve more negotiation and work to reach a settled and agreed conclusion. So, now you know. If you've enjoyed listening to this and would like to hear more, subscribe wherever you like to listen to podcasts and follow me on TikTok and Instagram. And remember, it's not rocket science, it's just legal things.